plank is one of the best calorie burn tests. Front panel is a traditional board that enhances your weight loss journey. It's a great variety of wood if you're just starting out. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Enter the push-up area. Step 2. Put your arms down. Bend your elbows 90 degrees and jump forward to keep your hands and arms down. Step 3. Spread your weight evenly over the upper arms, tightening your abs and glutes while keeping your torso straight. Step 4. Look ahead while you are here and hold the position 10 to 20 seconds at the beginning. Continue to add extra seconds to it each time you step into the plank. Step 5. Remember to breathe. If you are planning to try a timber to lose weight, why not try a treadmill? The receding timbers tighten the spinal muscles and work the area to burn fat. Not only that, the retrospective plank helps you to achieve good posture. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Sit down and place your legs in front of your body. Put your hands behind your hips, slightly wider than your shoulder, with your fingers facing your hips. Step 2. Slightly press the palms of your hands and lift your hips and body toward the ceiling until a straight line runs from head to toe. Step 3. Keep your arms and legs straight and tighten your abs, keeping your neck relaxed. Step 4. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then let go for a bit. Walking on the floor improves your metabolism, so you burn extra calories throughout the day. It can strengthen your spine and upper and lower extremity muscle groups. A moving board can burn all the muscles in your body. But to get its benefits, you need to do it right. Here's how to do it. Step 1. First, place the plank with the arms and hands straight under your shoulders. Step 2. Make sure you make a straight line from the shoulder to the feet. Step 3. Now, move your right hand forward as far as possible, then bring your left hand to meet it, keeping the hand at shoulder width apart. Step 4. Turn left to start, then your right hand. Step 5. That is one answer. Now, change. Try to complete 5 steps right and 5 and left with one set. This is a blessing for those who want to lose weight. This board can help you achieve good posture and ease of movement to build a stronger core and better balance. Because the side plank does not put pressure on the lower back or neck, this type of plank is simple but effective. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Start with the shape of the original plank, open your hips and chest on your left side, and start replacing the plank on the side. Step 2. Raise your right arm from the ceiling and let the left palm rest on the floor while supporting the posture. Step 3. Tighten your abdominal muscles and keep your body straight without bending or bending. Step 4. Hold the position for 15 to 20 seconds. Then turn back to the original position and repeat on the other side. Thank you for watching and subscribe my channel.